guys, today's video we will see if Instagram is down right now or not, and if it is, we will see what we can do. So first of all, open your browser and you can either type in down detector or simply is Instagram down right now. Then you will see down detector link. So go ahead and tap onto it. If Instagram is down, you will see, error buttons. It shows user reports show no current problems with Instagram, meaning that it is working fine with other people's devices. The problem might be in your own device. What you could do is you're going to have to restart your Instagram and then open it again and see if it changes anything. Next, what you could do is head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, select apps. Now in here, let's go ahead, type in Instagram. And let's go ahead and clear some cache. So select storage, clear cache. Come back onto app info page, select force stop, then select OK. Again, restart your device, launch your Instagram and see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then you can try logging into your Instagram via a web browser. And if you would like to use your application, you're going to have to try again after a couple hours. So guys, these are the fixes that you can try. Thank you for watching.